Right now, would you welcome, please, Juanita Raymond.
I still believe that someday, baby, we will love again. And I'll be waiting till the day we do. The love I have will stand till this old world comes to an end. And I'll live each day in dreams till they come true. And I'll have no other lover here to hold me tight. No other man to kiss my lips at night. If I can't have you by my side, then no one else will do. So I'll just keep on waiting here for you. They tell me I'm a fool this time, and you are really gone. You found another love and life goes on. They say someday that I'll forget. I know that it's not true. So I'll just keep on waiting here for you. And I'll have no other lover here to hold me tight. No other man to kiss my lips at night. If I can't have you by my side, then no one else will do. And I'll just keep on waiting here for you. Yes, I'll just keep on waiting here for you. I'm going to do this song for Ray and Billy. They haven't been here for a long time. They've been gone for a while, so I'll do this for you. And for my dad, and for those of you who don't know it, you might want to include Todd's dad in your prayers. Nothing real major, but something serious. He's in the hospital. He went to the doctor about a problem he was having with his gout, and they found that he's got something wrong with his heart. They think he might have had a heart attack sometime, not a serious one, but anyway, they've got him in the hospital, and I'm sure that he's giving them the runaround because he's mad because he's in there, because he's going to miss the big Nashville North weekend. So if you guys could think about him, that would be nice. Somewhere between your heart and mine, there's a window that I can't see through. There's a wall so high that it reaches the sky. Somewhere between me